Good morning, everyone. Teacher Gil here, and today our maths video, we're just going to use our math notebook or a piece of paper, and we're going to draw some shapes. Today we'll do 2D, and then our lesson tomorrow we'll do some 3D, okay? So we'll have some nice coloured shapes in our notebooks with all the different measurements and ways that we talk about our shapes. So before we start, let's just go over our 2D shapes and then we'll have a look at our notebooks. So here we go. Let's go back over our 2D shapes, our flat shapes. Doing mathematics, our M-A-T-H, math, our math class. That's short for mathematics. And we're doing shapes, 2D and 3D shapes and patterns. We'll do some patterns next week. All right, 2D shapes. Remember we said 2D shapes are flat. We can clap if we put a 2D shape between our hands. They have only one flat face. So let's have a look at some shapes. What have we got here? These are our 2D shapes, aren't they? They're oval, circle, square, and rectangle. And then we've got 3D shapes here: cylinders, spheres, a cuboid, and two cones. But today we're going to concentrate on our 2D shapes. 2D shapes. All 2D shapes have flat faces. Remember? Flat. We can put them on our hand and we can clap because they're flat. Flat. Like a piece of paper. Flat. There's a rectangle. It's a 2D because it's flat. First, we have a, what's this one? Triangle, a triangle. It has 3 straight sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. This one is a yellow triangle, isn't it? Yellow triangle. A flat face, straight side, not a curved side, a straight side, and corners. 3 corners and 3 straight sides. Here's some different triangles, but they all have 3 sides and 3 corners. Next we have a square, It's called a quadrilateral. All the things with 4 sides are quadrilateral, but we don't need to know that yet. We'll just learn square and rectangle. Square has 4 straight sides and they're equal, they're the same, and 4 corners. Flat face again. Flat, flat, straight sides, straight, like a ruler, and 4 corners. So quadrilaterals, like we said, we're not going to do all of the different quadrilateral shapes, but these are all quadrilaterals because they all have 4 sides and 4 corners, but we only worry about square and rectangle. So there we are. Squares and rectangles. Squares have equal sides and rectangles have two long sides and two shorter sides. Shorter. Or we could say they have two short sides and two longer sides. Long, longer, short, shorter. There's some of our length words, aren't they? Now we have a circle. Circle. It has one curved side and no corners, but it still has a flat face. A flat face. And a curved side. There's our different circles, orange circle, green, red, yellow, and what color is this one? It's purple, isn't it? Purple. There are our colors. Here's a pink one, but it's not a circle, it's an oval, and it's like a circle that's been squashed down or stretched out. So it looks like a stretched circle, and it has a flat face, a curved side, and no corners. There we are. So different shapes have different features, like different amount of sides and corners, flat face, or straight sides, or curved sides. They're different features. Okay, we won't worry about this video because we've seen it before. Or will we watch it one more time? Okay, let's watch it. Just to remind us that there are other different shapes. And we'll learn about those next year, maybe in P2. We'll have a look. Oopsie. Doesn't look like the video wants to play. Okay, we won't watch the video. Sorry, we might watch it tomorrow, eh? Oh, here it goes. Okay. We will watch it. What do we got? Circle.
Square.
Square. You say the words.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Oval. Now some other ones.
Heart.
Star.
Star. Pentagon.
5 sides. The pentagon.
Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Oval. Heart. Star. Pentagon.
We'll learn these next year, maybe.
Semicircle.
Half a circle is a semicircle.
Hexagon.
It has 6 sides.
High.
A cloud.
Cloud.
Diamond.
Diamond.
Like on
Cross.
an ambulance, a cross.
Arrow.
Arrow. Oh yeah.
Trapezium.
These are some quadrilaterals, aren't they?
Parallelogram.
And a
Crescent.
crescent. Why did we call it a crescent and not a moon? That's because the moon changes shape, doesn't it? Sometimes it looks like a crescent and sometimes it looks like a circle. Anyway, that's our 2D shapes. So now if we can get out our notebooks, math notebooks, and we'll go through our math notebooks, and in the end, well, let's make that page bigger. We're going to write 2D shapes, and we draw a triangle, 3 sides and 3 corners. But when you draw the square, when we draw the square, everybody will have to do it. We're doing an extra thing. I want everyone to get their rulers when we're drawing a square and a rectangle. And I want our square to be 4 centimeters, okay? Our square's got to be 4 centimeters that way, 4 centimeters that way. And our square, they're equal sides, so all sides will be 4 centimeters, okay? So that's going to be an extra job for you to do, is to measure how long our square is going to be. And we want it to be 4 centimeters. And then when we do our rectangle, I want it to be 5 centimeters long and on the long side and 3 centimeters on the shorter side. Okay, so that's our extra job for our 2D shapes. Then we're going to write square, 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Rectangle, 4 sides, 2 long sides, and we want 5 centimeter long, and 2 short, 3 centimeters short. Okay, and then to finish off, we'll do a circle, and we can use, if you have something to make a circle with that's round, maybe a small bottle or whatever we can find. That's how I did it. I found something round and I put it on the paper and I traced around it for my circle. And then we can draw an oval wherever you like on the paper, maybe next to it. And I just said circle and oval, 1 curved side. Okay, so that's going to be our note. Where are we? See if we can make it fit on 1 page. There we go. So if we get our notebooks or a piece of paper, and if we can't fit it on 1 page, that doesn't matter. We can make 2 pages and we'll write all that out. And then tomorrow we'll do our 3D shapes, okay? Our 3D shapes. All right then, that's our math lesson for today. Thanks for helping me learn about 2D shapes. Let's go through them one more time. We've got triangle, 3 sides, square, 4 equal sides, rectangle, 2 long sides, 2 short sides, a circle, 1 curved side, and an oval, like a circle that's been stretched out, an oval. Oh, that's not really an oval, is it? Okay, and we remember that they're all flat. They're all flat surfaces. pieces, and if we put one on our hand, we could still clap together because they're flat. And tomorrow we'll do 3D shapes that are solid. All right, thumbs up. See you tomorrow, and we're going to do a science lesson today as well. We're going to do an experiment. Okay, bye.